So in this video I will be demonstrating the positions that you need to know if you're doing the bird position, the different variations of it, and me, a partner and a spotter will be demonstrating. I just want to reiterate that it's so important to make sure you have a spotter, because if the flyer does fall, then you need to have someone there that's going to catch them, and you need to make sure that everyone in the room is safe. In my post I did speak about the importance of having a spotter briefly, but it can help the base as well. They can like move a leg or something that can really make or break the position itself. So that was the positions throughout the bird pose and the different variations of it. I just want to say that this was the first pose that we ever did in acro yoga, so it really is for beginners. There is a back bird position as well, but I wouldn't say to try it unless you're comfortable and your partner's comfortable and your spotter's comfortable, because everyone needs to be safe in this situation, and you need to make sure you have a trained professional there with you, because they're going to be the ones that are going to make sure you're doing it properly, make sure you've done all the correct drills. Because there's no point in getting people into situations they don't feel comfortable with just for a nice picture.